Create a chef account to become a chef in the HMFD system. Check for strong password. Send verification code to the mail for verify the user. Add food item to the menu. Update specific item information from menu. Now we create a customer account for become a customer of HMFD system. Nearby food items based on customer address. Search custom places for see the available foods on that location. Select specific chef for see his food items. See food by category. Add food to cart. Do payment for confirm the order. Select payment method. Use Stripe for payment. After successful payment order show in customer order history. After confirm order by customer, the order show in chef page. No feedback has been given yet on order number 37. Customer give feedback. Feedback show on chef page.